everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm finally sharing something I've been working on for a while now. And now it's finally ready. My Notion template is here. The Aligned Planner 2026. The Aligned Planner 2026 is more than just a digital planner. It is a complete planning system designed to keep your goals, tasks, and habits in one clean space. So instead of switching between multiple apps, you get a single workspace that helps you keep everything easy to manage. At its core, the planner is about alignment. It is built to help your daily actions support your bigger life that you want to create, with dedicated space for vision boards, plans, bucket lists, and much more. Whether you're focusing on health and fitness, personal growth, work, or creative projects, it gives you a simple structure that helps you stay on track without getting overwhelmed by the clutter. The planner feels easy with daily, weekly, and monthly planning views, along with task lists and calendars. That helps you see both the big picture and the next step. You can map out appointments, deadlines, plans in a way that keeps your schedule steady and clear. Business owners, freelancers, and creators also get a dedicated space for their work, like goals, branding, and project planning, making it easier to keep work organized and moving forward. What makes the Aligned Planner stand out is its flexibility. You can customize the layout, colors, font, pictures, everything. Even though I made the structure, you can make it yours. It is designed both practically and beautifully. The clean and calming look makes the planner feel more intentional and less overwhelming. The result is a planner that helps you reduce mental noise and keeps everything moving in one direction. Whether you're managing school, work, wellness, or a business, the Aligned Planner 2026 gives you a smarter and more supportive way to grow, plan, and focus with clarity and confidence. So that was a quick walkthrough of the Aligned Planner 2026. I'm honestly really happy to share it because I have put a lot of thought into making it simple, useful, aesthetic, and easy to come back to. You can check out the template link from the description and pinned comment and tell me in the comments which section did you like the most. Now let's move to the Q&A part. Question 1. Which editing software do you use? This is by far the most asked question on my channel. The videos are edited on Adobe Premiere Pro, and for thumbnails and graphics, Canva is mostly used. Question 2. How do you stay motivated to keep creating content? I don't always feel motivated. I just try to stay consistent and remind myself why I started in the first place. Question 3. Where do you get inspiration for your videos? Mostly from the things I'm learning, random thoughts, and the questions people ask me. Sometimes the best ideas come from everyday life. Question 4. What's the best part of being a creator? I just enjoy turning an idea into something people can learn from, watch, or relate to. Question 5. Which camera or setup do you use? So for the camera, I use Sony Alpha 7M IV and a Hollyland Lark M2 mic with Godox lights. That's my go-to setup for content creation. Question 6. How do you write or plan your videos? I start with the main idea, organize the key points, and then turn them into a script. Question 7. How old are you? I get this question all the time, but for now I'm keeping it private. Question 8. What kind of content can we expect from this channel? You'll see more videos about self-growth, productivity, AI, and communication. Question 9. Why did you change your channel name? I wanted the channel name to reflect the kind of content I'm creating now, and I also felt like this is the right time to make it more personal and meaningful. Question 10. What's next for the channel? I want to keep creating content and build more resources like this template that actually help people grow. So this is Levikah, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.